Hello guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the Beat Flex. This is a wireless headphone from the Beat. So far this is the cheapest headphone that I found. Usually they cost like 100 and up. So this wireless headphones only cost $50. And so this thing battery lasts for 12 hours. So if you charge it for 10 minutes, it will be equal to 1.5 hours, so that 1.5 hours. So here we go, let's unbox it. So in the box we got the wireless headphone, and we got a USB-C charging cable, and we got some paper, some more paper, and we got a sticker, safety information, and some more paper. Let's see what else in here. So this thing does come with a variety of replaceable earpiece, different size. So let's check out the headphone. Okay. So the first thing I noticed is the back of the headphones got magnetic. It'll stick together like this. So all the control will be on the headphone. You got the volume up and down. And it got the play and pause button right here. And on this side I got the power button. And let's check out the USB-C charging port. So a USB-C charging port go right there. So it's pretty cool that I got the USB-C charging port instead of a micro USB or a lightning port. So on the earpiece you got two microphones, one here and one here. So this thing, when you first turn it on, it will automatically connect to your iPhone. So you don't have to worry about anything. It will automatically connect to your iPhone, your iPad. Everything belongs to Apple. So I'm going to connect to my phone. Yes, so I show the battery percentage, and now I'm connected. So there's an indicator of the right headphone and the left headphone. So let's go to your right ear and let's go to your left ear, so indicate it. There's a little sensor right here too. I don't know what it is. There's a black sensor right here. And on this here it says right and left. There's no indication on the earpiece. Just a letter B. I like the magnetic. They stick together like this. So if you wrap it around your neck and you stick it together like this, it will stay in your neck. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.